It's so delicious that it's impossible to eat just one piece. This recipe is perfect for lunch or dinner. You can't resist. Your family will love this recipe. Let's start our recipe by adding 2 grated carrots to the bowl. Then, we'll add 150 grams of cabbage, also grated, and 2 grated potatoes. Once that's done, let's mix everything very well. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. That's it. Once that's done, let's add 4 eggs. Now mix everything very well until it's integrated. You know that healthy, hearty lunch or dinner you've been looking for? This is a perfect option for you to make. It's delicious. Now let's add chives. The green onions here are to taste. Also add 50 grams of milk, 50 grams of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Once that's done, let's mix everything very well. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix very well until it's integrated. And remember that if you want to continue receiving more recipes like this, leave a comment below. I want you to do it this way. You'll always receive our recipes firsthand. Now we'll add a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again very well until the yeast is integrated. Ready? Now you'll add all this mixture to a pan greased with a little oil. Once done, spread it very well over the entire bottom of the pan. Then put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. When it's baked, continuing, we'll add 200 grams of grated cheese on top. And if you're enjoying the recipe, don't forget to save it so you don't lose it. And look how wonderful it's coming out. Now sprinkle some oregano on top. Then put it in the oven for another 15 minutes until the cheese is browned on top. And our recipe is ready. You can now take a piece out and serve. And look how incredible it turned out. Wonderful! If you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? And your lunch or dinner will never be the same after this recipe. I really hope you liked it. I'm leaving now. A big hug, and see you in the next video.